Two years ago, the University of Haifa and Texas A&M University has signed a mutual agreement to construct and deploy a deep water mooring that will serve as the first Mediterranean marine observatory.
So ocean observing is an incredibly important aspect of science. The ocean controls the heat balance of the ocean and of the planet, really. The movable heat of the planet is in the ocean. So understanding how the ocean responds to various things, whether it's oil contamination, whether it's toxic algal blooms, whatever, the baseline of information needs to be developed. And that's really quite unique. There are only a few programs around the world that are doing that. And so this new technology that we have at our disposal should build a really important program for everybody.
Today we are going for the first deployment of this mooring. We're going to deploy the mooring in northern Israel at depth of 125 meters. The deployment of the mooring is a new era in the exploration of the deep sea in the Mediterranean. The mooring is the state-of-the-art in offshore marine observatories.
The Eastern Mediterranean goes through enormous anthropogenic influence. The fact that the Suez Canal was dug last century caused huge migration of organisms from the Red Sea into the Eastern Mediterranean. There is a dramatic changes in the salinity, in the temperature, and in various parameters. And this is the font of science now. Once we have the data, we can look on minute and continuous changes of what's going on in the water body.
The new observatory in the Eastern Mediterranean, which is the first of its kind in the Mediterranean, is strategic for many reasons, not the least of which is that it is in an environmentally sensitive part of the global ocean that literally influences the lives and livelihoods of tens of millions of people.
The data will allow researchers to conclude or to explore long-range observation from the sea, to update models about ocean currents, about temperature in the sea. It will allow the monitoring of the pollution of the sea and will serve as a warning system for possible earthquake and tsunami hazards.
This new program is really wonderful for our students. Our students are going to get the opportunity to go to Israel and actually work with colleagues there on research projects in a very unique environment using all this new technology. We have a new dual degree that's been recently signed, and we'll have students from the University of Haifa coming here to pursue a dual degree with Texas A&M University and the University of Haifa.
The success of the joint development of the most advanced deep sea monitoring system in the Mediterranean basin, as well as the joint doctoral program to be signed with the University of Texas A&M, positions the University of Haifa at the global forefront of maritime research institutions in the entire world.